Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two popular home security cameras. On the left, we have the Blink Mini, and on the right, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery 2nd Generation 1-Pack. Get ready for some serious surveillance showdown. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The Blink Mini comes in at an affordable $29, while the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor will set you back $179. That's quite a price difference, but is the Nest Cam worth the splurge? Stay tuned to find out. Now let's dive into the features. The Blink Mini offers 1080p HD resolution, motion detection, and two-way audio. You can monitor your home day and night, receive alerts on your smartphone, and even use it as a chime for your Blink video doorbell. All of this for just $29. On the other hand, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor takes things up a notch. With built-in intelligence, it can differentiate between a person, animal, and vehicle, sending you alerts through the Google Home app. It also offers 1080p HDR video with night vision and up to 60 days of video history with a Nest Aware subscription. Plus, it's battery-powered and can be placed anywhere with its magnetic mount. But it comes with a higher price tag of $179. Let's talk about setup. The Blink Mini is a breeze to set up. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions in the Blink Home Monitor app. Simple as that? On the other hand, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor also offers easy installation. It's battery-powered, eliminating the need for outlets, and the magnetic mount makes it effortless to place anywhere. Now let's see how these cameras interact with our favorite smart assistants. The Blink Mini works seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices. You can use your voice to engage Live View Arm and disarm the camera and more. Alexa, keep an eye on my home. Meanwhile, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor is compatible with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You can stream your live video feed hands-free on smart displays and even call your local emergency service directly from the Google Home app. Hey Google, keep an eye on things. The Blink Mini is highly praised for its affordability, picture and audio quality, ease of setup, app usability, and motion detection. Reviewers find it to be a great option for monitoring babies and young children with a durable design and great price. On the other hand, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor receives positive reviews for its night vision, motion detection, and picture quality. Reviewers appreciate the camera's compatibility with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, as well as its battery-powered operation and magnetic mount. However, some reviewers express concerns about the build quality and customer support. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Blink Mini and the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery 2nd Generation 1-Pack. Both cameras offer unique features and cater to different budgets. The Blink Mini is perfect for those seeking affordability without compromising essential features, while the Nest Cam takes home security to the next level with advanced intelligence and a higher price tag. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.